You guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Victoria and I'm gonna do another unboxing for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Today I have my adapter. It only comes with the charging wire, so I just wanted to show you what Best Buy puts for their curbside pickup. They basically just text message you a 4-digit code and then you can put anyone's name on there. So let's just open the adapter. Okay, and then I'm going to open this box because it still has my charger in there. And I've been filming, so it's literally given me 3 days of battery life while I've been filming, and then I've also been watching videos on YouTube. So the battery life is pretty decent, you know, so far. It's cord. So I'm just going to plug it in here. And then I'm going to plug my phone in. And it's charging. Okay, so let this charge. Okay, I want to make sure that's actually charging. So this is not like the old school Apple EarPods box, the ones that slide. I love saving those. I mean, like, how many times have you guys actually changed your Apple EarPods? How many times have you bought them? So I literally have like 4 boxes and they slide and they're like so addicting. Here, let me go get it. Okay. See? I love these. Okay. So now to my package. Let me put my phone aside. I got the Antimicrobial Glass Elite VisionGuard for blue light as well. My phone just turned on. Let's see. This one was $44.99 and I was like, might as well, because I've been seeing a lot of skincare that helps with blue light. And so since we're always on our phones or our laptops, our computers, our tablets, I thought that was so cool. And then it also, I don't know why that it says that, but it says something about like COVID. And you know, like a lot of surface bacteria or bacterial stay on surfaces for like hours or days. And this one claims that like in 30 minutes, like it self-cleanses. So I thought that was cool. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. I was thinking to myself, what's up YouTube? If you have seen my previous video of me getting my iPhone 12, I wanted to make a separate video of the accessories supporting the iPhone 12, you know? So I did, and I was so stoked on like everything. Look what I did, you guys. I'm so embarrassed, like, but like, hello. I haven't put on a phone screen in so long. Like, if you see my other video, like I said, I always rock with an iPhone 6. That just was my, you know, that was my jam. And yeah, so I did not notice that this had like an actual latch where this screen needed to, you know, have that shape or whatever. So anyway, let's just get started. I'm going to be showing you how to remove a screen protector. Oh, wow, that's already coming off on that corner. That was easy. Anyways, I'm gonna put some gloves on and get started. Okay, as you can see, there are like no cracks in the screen, but if you look a little closer, there is something wrong and it's irritating me. I never noticed it. I'm lying, I did notice it. I noticed it like a few hours after I put it on. I was like, what the heck? Wait a minute. If there is a loop right here, would this mess up the screen? Or the camera? That's what I'm saying. Look at what I did. Oh my god. So let me take off the case first.